Ako tayo pumasok. Nandito si Ate Jean.
Ate Edna!
Ate Edna Labrador to welcome us sa Cherokee. The grand opening of Cherokee. So, of course, this is a relaxing,
Very relaxing chair massage.
Oh.
Leather.
Yeah. So, merong tatlong sessions. We have 50 for 15 minutes, 100 for 30 minutes, and wow, 200 pesos for 1 hour. So, sulit na talaga. Sulit talaga. Of course, ito try natin yung shop ni Tita Edna Labrador, yung Cherokee. So, we have the 10-minute tryout. And let's see kung worth it nga ba na to relax, no? Ate, paano mo naisip itong Cherokee?
Yung name ba?
Oo.
Yung name is from my daughter's idea. Pang Gen Z.
Oh.
Diba?
Which
Para-
is
which
chair
is chair and
therapy.
Yes. Chair massage therapy.
Yun. Ah.
May heat pad yan sa likod sa balakang. Kaya mainit yan.
So, na-relax tayo today for 10 minutes. For about 10 minutes ang Cherokee. So, chair therapy is more of talagang it's chair massage therapy. Galing sa anak niya yung pinakang name. So, napakaganda ang pinaka mismo name. So at least, let's try local talaga. Oh wow. Feels like I'm relaxed. So kung merong fitness, merong anytime fitness, pero kung gusto nyo relaxation, yun yun nandoon. Yung katabi ng Skylight Studios, yun yung pinakapuntahan ninyo, which is the Cherokee.